Hi, welcome to our short presentation on OpenCerts. OpenCerts set out to solve the problem of fake academic qualifications. Traditionally, academic qualifications can be easy to doctor, but yet hard for anyone to verify. Our solution is to digitize the academic qualification. We store it in a digital format containing the certificate name, transcript data, the identity information of the issuer and the recipient, as well as a tamper-proof signature. These certificates are then stored onto the Ethereum blockchain. Individual schools and institutes will own their private key, which they will use to sign the transactions, to issue and revoke certificates on the blockchain. Individuals and corporates can then query the blockchain to ask if the certificate has been issued or revoked. Let's take a look at a demo of our product. This is an example of a certificate that we issue. As you can see, in the data, we will have the certificate information, transcript data of the students, the recipient identity, as well as a tamper-proof signature. When we put this cert into the viewer, we can see that it goes through a 4-step verification process. The first, it checks for the issuer's identity. Second, it checks that the certificate has not been tampered with. Thirdly, it checks that it has been issued on the blockchain. And finally, it checks that the certificate has not been revoked by the organization. Over here, we can see the data on the certificate. Now let's try to alter the cert. Suppose that I would like to change my grade from a C to an A. The same cert will then be invalid, as the certificate hash does not match the target hash. Another feature of OpenCerts is privacy filtering. Privacy filtering allows for the removal of specific information from the certificate without compromising the certificate hash integrity. Over here, let's download this new cert that we have. As you can see, the new certificate does not contain the information that we have removed, but yet it is able to be cryptographically verified. As you can see, the information has been redacted from these 3 fields here. Instead, they are now hashed and the information that were being hidden cannot be retrieved anymore. Now, let's take a look at some of our engineering feat that allow us to store large amount of certs on the blockchain. The first idea is the idea of batch issuing. Batch issuing allows us to prove the issuance of a large number of certificates in a single batch. We first hash every single certificate, forming the target hash. From there, we build a Merkle tree using this hash. Each single cert will then be given a proof, which is a cryptographic proof of membership of the single certificate in the entire batch. Using this method, we are able to solve the problem of low transaction speed and high transaction costs of using the Ethereum network, as we are now able to batch issue a large number of certificates using a single transaction on the network. Now, let's compare OpenCerts to paper certs. First of all, OpenCerts allow us the ease of issuing, storing, verifying, and recovering certificates. Additionally, it protects against damage and tampering of certificate data. Thirdly, it allows students to take over the control of what they want to disclose to the employers. Lastly, it presents the data in a computer-readable format and also allowing more data to be embedded into the document. We have now come to the end of the presentation. Thank you for your attention.